Hello there everyone, welcome back Divanshar, and in this video we are going to talk about what is the difference between VAL and VAR in Kotlin programming language. So what I'm talking about, let's see. So let me tell you, I'm talking about VAR versus VAL. So basically VAR stands for variable and VAL stands for value. Okay, so VAR type is mutable, okay, mutable, and VAL is immutable, okay, immutable. So the values or the variable which you are defining is, if it is of type var variable, then its value can be changed. Basically it is mutable, okay. So if you are declaring a variable which is val type, so its value cannot be changed. So let's see with an example. What I'm trying to say is like, suppose we have a variable, let's say a, okay, and it is of var type, where a is equals to, let's say, 5, okay, 53, okay, okay, cool, let's say 2, okay. And what I'm going to see is I'm going to say print ln, and I'm going to say is print a. So let's see what, definitely we are going to get 2, okay. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to say a is equals to 5, and then I'm going to say print ln, I'm going to say print ln a, okay. And then I'm going to run this, and let's see what we get. We get 5, okay. So the value of a first was 2, and then like we printed it, okay, we got 2, and then we are going to like change the value of a to 5, and then again we are printing, so we are getting 5, okay. So this is when we are declaring a as type var. So now let's declare this as val and see what happens is, okay. So we got an exception. Val cannot be reassigned. As I mentioned, VAL type is immutable. Immutable basically means its value cannot be changed, and VAR type basically means its value can be changed. So, through with the help of an example, we saw how like how what is the difference between VAR and VAL. Okay, like if I comment this out and let's see what we get. In both the cases, like we'll get 2 2, okay, and a program will run, okay. Yeah, cool. So if you're declaring a variable type val, its value cannot be changed, whereas like if you're declaring a variable as var type, its value can be changed. Okay, pretty much that only in this video, and let's meet in another video of Kotlin series. And if you're new to our channel, please consider subscribing. Thank you.